alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be our new. Today we'll start solving Computer Science Paper 2, AS, May June 2023, Variant 2. In the previous video, we solved Paper 1. Today we'll start by solving Part 1, a program calculates the postal code based on the weight of the item and its destination. Calculations occur at various points in the program, and this results in the choice of several possible postal costs. The programmer has built this postal cost into the program. For example, the postal cost of $3.75 is used in the following lines of the code. If we have two conditions, weight less than 250 and validation and valid address equal true, then item postal code will be assigned with value 3.75, which means mentioned here. And we have a command set postal cost for items to 3.75. Item status assigned with valid. Okay, this is a string, and this is a command item can be sent, and then an F. Okay. Identify a more accurate way of representing the postal cost. The postal cost here in this situation will not be changed when the program is run. So we need we can use it as a constant. So here we can say use of constants. Describe the advantage of your answer to part AI with reference to this program. In the constant, the value will be assigned one time, so this will avoid an input errors, and that make the program easier to understood. And if we need to change this value, just change it once in the assigned statement. So we can say that postal rates are entered only once, which avoid an error when inputting data, and make the program easier to be understood. Moreover, in case of need to change any postal rate, this change will be done in one place. Okay. Number B, the lines of CD code contains features that make this easier to understand. State three of these features. The main three features that we have: comments and the indentation and a meaningful names. So this will be use of meaningful name use of indentation and finally, use of commands. Number C, give the appropriate data type for the following variables. Valid address will give me will be true or false, so it will be Boolean. Item postal cost, which is 3.75, so it have to be real. Item status, which is valid between double quotations, so it have to be string. Okay. Number two, a program stores a user date of birth using variable my DOB of type date. Write a pseudocode statement using function from the insert to assign the value corresponding to 17/11/2007 to the day of birth. So we need to assign this value. Let's go to insert. This is the insert. This is the insert with the exam. We'll go to the date parts, date functions. So we need to use set date, which take the parameters day, month, year as an integers, and it will return date. And this is the example. Set date will return this date. So we'll use this. We will use this structure to assign the value to my date of birth. So it will be my DOB will assign with value set, the function set date, and the parameters will be 17,11,2007. My date of birth has been assigned a valid value representing the user date of birth. Write the code statement to calculate the number of months from the month of the user birth date to the end of the year. So we need to 12 minus a month of this month. Okay. And assign this value to num months. For example, if my DOB contains value representing 0207 2008, the value will be 5, which is 12 minus 5. The value will be assigned to num months. So num months will be assigned with value 12 minus, we need to calculate the months. Let's go to the insert. The function months will take this date as an integer and return the current month's number, e.g. in this statement, in this example, the months will be 10, will be returned 10. So this will be 12 minus months of my date of birth. Okay. Number C, the program will output the day of the week corresponding to my date of birth. For example, a given date, 22/06/2023, the program will output Thursday. So this day will be on Thursday. An algorithm is required, an array will be used to store the names of the days of the week. Define the array and describe the algorithm in 4 steps. Don't use pseudocode, so we don't need to write pseudocode. So we'll just initiate. Array definition, we will say initiate a 1-dimension array contains 7 elements. This will be week, day of type string. So firstly, in the first step, we'll assign the names of the day in the array. So assign value Sunday as the first element, then Monday as the second element, and so on for all the week days. Secondly, we can go to find the function day index of this date, which return integer. That day index will return the index of the day to catch or to find this element, and then we can write the corresponding day for this index. So, and the second step, we'll use the function day index to return the day number which in my date of birth. Then we'll use this value to access the element. So we'll use the return value as an array index to find or to access the element contains the name of the day. Finally, we will output the name as a string. And that's it. We'll complete this exam in the next video. You can find link in description. Thanks for watching. See you next video.